Another day in the city of Detroit. Thank you for checking out my YouTube video. We're off of Dickerson on Detroit's east side. I don't get out here too often, so I decided I'm gonna do a YouTube video. If you want to see some of the east side of Detroit off of Dickerson, just watch this video. If you want to see more of Detroit in the future, please subscribe. I already got over 1,200 videos. I don't know too much about this area, but we'll go around here, we'll go around the neighborhood. This is actually Dickerson right here. I do some urban exploring too, so I was in the neighborhood. So I said to myself, why not do a driving video off of Dickerson? We'll go down some of these side streets too. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your day. Looks like it says, welcome to Ravendale. I guess that might be the neighborhood too, Ravendale area, part of Detroit. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with this part of Detroit. That this is, we're gonna make a left here so I can show you some of this neighborhood. This is Chelsea Street, Chelsea and Dickerson. It says do not enter school days, okay. Kind of bumpy. But Detroit's a big city. And what you see in this one video doesn't represent what all of Detroit looks like. I know very little about this area in general, so most of what I say is just going to be kind of an opinion, you know. A lot of these streets I don't even think I've been down. It's a nice day though, getting closer to summertime. We'll make a right here on Park Drive. Nothing's really, you know, staged or set up or pre-planned. This is just like if you were with me, riding along with me, and I told you, or if I asked you, you want to take a ride off of Dickerson in Detroit? If you said yes, you'd be right with me right now. I'm just picking streets. I don't see anything really going on that much. Promenade Street right here. Looks like the houses are in pretty good shape. East Outer Drive is up there, but I just want to go down here. You got a couple houses right there that are abandoned, but most of these over here are in pretty good shape. Pretty affordable housing out here. Not too far from downtown. This is Dickerson right up here. Not too far from 94. I'm trying to think if we should just keep going. Yeah, we might keep going. Yeah, I think they're fixing up that property right there. A lot of that going on in the city. So still some pretty decent houses and some pretty decent deals, you know. I forgot the name of the street that I'm driving on. I'll let you know, guys. I don't think I ever said what street this is. Oh, Promenade. That's what it is. Where we're gonna go? Promenade. We're gonna keep going. I'll show you a little bit of East Outer Drive too. That's just the main street. One of the main streets in Detroit, if you're not familiar with it. But Outer Drive's got some nice houses. Make a left up at this yield sign. But you're seeing what it's like off of Dickerson. We'll spend some more time around the neighborhood. Newport Street. Go. Actually, I was gonna turn. So I was looking at what's up here. Oh, this is another main street. Chalmers. Okay. Yeah, that's how unfamiliar I am with this part of Detroit, but still off of Dickerson. Chalmers and Promenade. We'll make a left and then we'll make our way towards Dickerson. That way I stay right in that area. I actually know what it goes right. We'll go down one or two streets. This is Chalmers we're on. Just want to check something out. Sometimes I spot a building out of the corner of my eye. I do some urban exploring too, so as I'm doing this video, this driving video, I'm also keeping my eye out for buildings to explore, you know what I mean? We'll make a right here so we can go more towards Dickerson. This looks like a nice church over here. Youth church. Yeah, all this over here. Not too bad. Christian daycare. There's a lot of history in Detroit. If you've never been here, it's a good city to visit. If you have any questions about Detroit in general, just put it in the comment section. Newport and Longview. This is a nice neighborhood, nicer neighborhood. You can see a lot of these houses are in pretty good shape. Thought I heard some music. Oh, that's the guy in front of us. Yeah, Detroit's a good time. There's a lot going on downtown, midtown. You know, if you get your enhanced license or passport, you can check out Windsor for the day. We'll make it right here. Actually, you know what? We'll just go to Dickerson. Going a little bit slow so you guys can see what the neighborhood looks like. Yeah, I think he's got the speakers facing towards the back end. What's that noise? I think we're by 94. Yeah, Detroit's a really unique city. You know, I've got a big playlist. If you want to see downtown, check out the downtown playlist. This is Dickerson right here. So much history in Detroit, even on the east side. It might not look like a lot to you, but you know, you can feel it. You know, Detroit's a very, very unique city. We'll make it right here in Dickerson. We'll go up a little bit more. Another half mile or so. Get out of this neighborhood. Okay, angle the camera a little bit straight. Chelsea and Dickerson. I made a left here earlier, but we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep going straight. Go past East Grand Boulevard. Get the AC going. Hopefully you guys are liking this video so far. Feels different not seeing clouds in the sky. This is East Outer Drive here. It goes for miles. Some beautiful homes on East Outer Drive. Looks like we're getting more into like more of an abandoned area up there. I want to check it out for the urban exploring. You know what we'll do though, so I'm not stopped right here. We'll make it right here. I'll show you some East Outer Drive. We'll go down a block. Big wide street, beautiful homes. Very beautiful homes, big homes. The roads could use a little bit of work, but other than that, all this is East Outer Drive. We're gonna go straight. Because where there's a lot of abandoned is where the urban exploring is. Yeah, very nice, you know, very nice day. Not too bad. And we just passed Rosemary Street. We'll keep this like a 15-minute video. It seems like 15 minutes is the is the time. Anything longer than that, I gotta really work on that. We're just gonna take this straight, unless we see something on the right or left. Looks all good. I think there was an abandoned school or something up here. Whenever there's big fields, big open fields, I look for that. Wilfred Street. And Dickerson, we're just running right along Dickerson. Dickerson's not too far from here. Flanders. This is a nice little house on the corner. Jane Street. Looks like they're fixing it up, or wait a minute. You have Jane Street right here. They're gonna be in my thumbnail. Off Dickerson. Loretto Street. We'll make a left. Try to figure out what this person's doing. Oh, stalled. Hopefully they can get it going. They'll run out of gas. Or something. Going towards Dickerson now. Yeah, he ran out of gas or something. He had the gas thing open, but who knows. Very quiet. This house isn't too bad. On the right. Big houses in Detroit too. Big properties. You hear the birds? It's like noon. We'll keep going. Something tells me I'm gonna run a nice building to explore. Now we're on Dickerson. We'll keep going straight. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been on here. Hopefully this video reaches somebody that used to live in the area. Houston, Whittier. Not far from Gratiot in Houston, Whittier, by Mason Foods. We'll make a left here on Mayfield, call it a day. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, we'll end it up here. Looks like it's Gratiot or something, Dickerson. We'll figure it out. But anyways, thank you for the support. Feel free to check out my other playlists. And I love subscribers. I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. Be careful out on those roads too, with the drivers and with everything. Gonna go a little bit slow right here. Gratiot's just got a lot of businesses in general. Big street. You know what I mean? I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull over. Right here and end the video. I appreciate the support, guys, and be safe and take care. Thanks, guys.